In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way you can use to make money online just by performing simple tasks and at the comfort of your home without going to anywhere. Flexibility is 100%, and it is a thing of joy that Nigeria as a country is being accepted by this platform. And how can you make money on this platform is very easy, as I'm going to show it to you when I continue on this video. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Passiveincome. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting update anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, just like I've said, I'm going to show you how you can make money on this platform by performing simple tasks. You know, Nigeria as a country is not permitted, or should I say we are not eligible. If you check most of these survey sites, Nigeria is not eligible to participate and even withdraw money due to, I don't know, maybe it's our policy over here and they have banned a lot of Nigerians. But this site has made it very easy that Nigerians will participate. And you see that AI that people use to make and snap upload their picture and post it on social media, you also are going to use that AI platform and use it to make money online, as I'm going to show you. So guys, stick to the end of this video and make sure you share this video to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be using a screen recording as usual. Let's go. So guys, with your mobile data being on, the first thing you do is to go to your browser of your choice. As you can see on the screen, this is Google Chrome. So you go to any browser of your choice, Firefox, we have Opera Mini and the rest of them, and you dial in this keyword, as you can see on the screen, to local, and you send. Allow it to send. So you are seeing that it has opened on the screen, and you will see on the SERP, on Google search engine, you see the first one, to local AI development platform. Just like I said, it is an AI platform. And you leave the first one, you go to the second search there on the screen, which is earn money online doing micro tasks. You have to click on it and you allow it to open. So you allow it to open. I'm very excited about this video because I've seen people making money on this platform, and I say no, I have to bring it to my YouTube viewers to also view on how they can make money. And they are not just people I'm just seeing online, they are Nigerians just like me and you making money on this platform. So it says get paid to make an impact. It says do micro tasks that support new AI products and research. Like I've said, it's an AI platform, and when you do micro tasks that supports AI product, you will make money. It says earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. So as you can see, after reading, you see here that they will say start earning money. But I have to show you things about this platform so that you know that I'm not just hyping this platform for you to go and waste your time, but I'm actually telling you about this platform so that you can go there and make little money, in which you can use to support yourself in your academics, or to do one or two things online. You understand? You can use the money to buy data, or even use it to chase away Sakpa. You understand? So it says on about our platform that the AI we use every day learns from data. You understand? So those AI you use, they learns from data like Chatgpt and stuff like that. It says engineers uses their platform to collect data for training AIs. So these are the types of tasks you do on this site. Types of tasks you do on this site is image and video tasks, you do a text task, you do an audio, you do a city task, you do an information and survey, as you can see here on the screen. You understand? As you can see here on the screen that this is an image and video, this is text, this is audio, a city task, information and survey. That means they will be asking you questions so that you'll be answering it, and they can use it to train a new AI that might want to come out very soon. Just like Google have released their Part AI, Chatgpt owned by Elon Musk is also there. And This is why how you have to sign up. The reason is you choose a task and do them whenever you want on your or at home, on your way to work and places like that. So you choose how you work and how you want to collect your money. And one funny thing is this: whatever you do on this site is very simple, because they don't want to stress you, or when people come to a platform and see that the platform is requiring much or is telling them hard things to do, as typical Nigeria will just want to skip out that platform. So the taxes on this platform is simple. You don't need to have any special skills, you don't have to go for training or whatever like that. And it says the payment here is very fast. It says you choose your own preferred payment method. As a Nigerian, you can choose to use PayPal, you can choose to use Payoneer, you can use Stripe and things like that directly to your bank account, gift card. And it says you use, yes, they have a mobile app for Android and iOS. That means if you're using Apple, that means you don't have to bother because you are also included. And it says conveniences: you work from anywhere, you complete as many tasks as you want. So it says you can, just like I told you, can withdraw money to PayPal, Payoneer or Papara. So this is how to withdraw money on this platform. It says how it works: you just take a few minutes to sign up. It is totally free. You carefully read their instructions and complete the assignment. You complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular task. That means you just do a quick training, so they will just show you how you can complete a particular task. It says you withdraw your earning with one of our fast and secure methods: Payoneer, PayPal, Papara and stuff like that. It says you also pick the task you want to do on your computer or in your mobile app. Just like I've said that they have a mobile app. You can also tell your friends to sign up if you are the first person among your clique to get information about this platform. You can tell your friends to sign up, and you also get a referral bonus. That means you make money anytime your friends sign up on this platform using your own unique referral link. So just without wasting time, this is how you can get paid. This is PayPal, this is Payoneer and Papara and stuffs like that. So these are success stories from Tolokas. The name of the site is Toloka, and you on the site, you are known as Toloka. So it says you can read here for yourself. This is Spraja, is an engineer and a YouTube blogger. You can see when he started doing Toloka since 2020 November, and he said he has been making money online. You can also see Andres, a surfer and a stepdad. So there are a lot of testimonies about this platform online, and I can't just waste your time by bringing a platform which I know it is not legit. All my videos are very legit, and every platform I bring to you is 100% paying, which has been tested and trusted. It says you can join today, earn money safely from the comfort of your home while being part of something bigger. That means if you join on this platform, you perform simple tasks, you will be highly glad when you find out that a new AI has been released and the information that you give to them is what the AI is using. You understand? Just like they will ask you when they found your community, and when someone go and ask that AI when is this released, the person mention your name and tell us when they found the community. So guys, you can just start earning by clicking on this stuff here, start earning money, and you can become part of something bigger as you share your ideas to people and you make money. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will post a video like this, and also so that you can also help me grow. Until next time, I love you all.